Ummeli wabasolwa abane ufaka isicelo sokuthi umsolwa wesithathu asuswe ejele iKhosi Mampuru njengoba ekhala ngokuhlukunyezwa. Uthe ukususwa kwakhe ejele laseGoli kwakungekho emthethweni.
I want to bring the application for accused number 3 to be removed from Khosi Mampuru, because if I cannot come to rescue of accused number 3, this trial, when it comes to an end, accused number 3 will be 6 feet under, because he's getting the torture every time.
Umbuso uthe uzophenya le insolo zokushaya komsolwa, kepha umsolwa ngeke asuswe ejele iKhosi Mampuru ngenxa yezizathu zokuphepha.
I've given a letter to my colleagues from correctional services indicating that for security purposes it's not possible to allow the accused number 3 in particular to be held at any other detention center.
Ijaji lithe kufanele iphenywe igameko zokuhlukunyezwa komsolwa.
It will be not proper for me to start issuing out orders against prisons or prison authorities, except to say to Advocate Baloyi, he has to communicate that the abuse and ill treatment of inmates for whatever reason is heavily frowned upon by courts.
Leli icala liyaqhubeka.